You are managing large datasets, creating reports, or analyzing trends. Mastering Excel and Google Sheet is key to working smarter, not harder. Want to take control of your data and make a spreadsheet work for you? Welcome to become an expert in Excel and Google Sheet formula and function. Here you will learn everything from foundational formations like sum and average to advanced technique like index, match, and array formula. I will break down complex formulas, explain shortcuts, and show you how to automate repetitive tasks. No more wasting time. Get the insights you need fast. This course includes Introduction to Microsoft Excel and Google Sheet, basic arithmetic operation, logical functions, cell references, relative, absolute, mix, condition function, sum, average, minimum and maximum functions, count, concatenate, left, right, and mid function, statistical analysis with function analyzing data distributions and variability, nested function and formula nesting, array formulas for complex calculations, summarizing data with pivot tables, filtering and analyzing data with slicer, formula auditing, and error handling, error checking and correction techniques, optimizing formulas for performance, utilizing keyboard shortcuts for formula writing, and many more. You will become proficient with functions that you solve real-world problems, whether it is calculating sales trends, automatic reports, or organizing large datasets. From Excel pros to Google Sheet enthusiasts, this course will guide you step by step, empowering you to make informed, data-driven decisions. Join thousands of learners who have transformed their workflow and taken their productivity to the next level. Enroll today and become an expert in Excel and Google Sheets. Your future of efficiency starts now.